Okay, our villa.
It's incredible.
There's the seaplane taking off. Oh my gosh.
Look at the bathtub. Oh my
I
god.
just died. I'm dead. I'm in heaven.
No.
I died on the seaplane, Nick, and I'm here.
You don't want to change the bedding?
What?
Okay. Otherwise,
What's
they change it
happening?
every day?
Yes.
Oh, we don't need it every day, yeah.
And this is our emergency shots.
Okay.
Guys, this is insane. This has got to be. Okay, I think this is one of the best rooms I've ever stayed in my life.
Everybody here that this is the most insane and amazing experience that many of us will have in our entire lives, and we love you guys so much.
Woo! Thank you guys. This is today's outfit. Okay, I'm like, how do I ledge this up, right? All right, well, I'll go back here. This is today's fit. We are doing a beach party today. It's like a beach barbecue party, and yeah. The little braids are kind of falling out. Guys, like, I feel like I haven't even been on here fully brunette with you guys, so it's pretty crazy that you're seeing me fully brunette. You're probably like, what happened? I went brunette for a bit. You only live once, man. Our itinerary, we have like all this stuff all week, but today is barbecue and beach party. And Nick went surfing with the guys out at like this huge break, and he said it was insane. He should be here soon, and we have to like talk to him about that because gnarly brah. And I went to the gym and yoga this morning. It just like felt good to move my body, and like we did a meditation, and that was fun. It's been incredible here. What is that? What do I do with it? Okay. Did not want to redo this, and now I feel like I have to redo it. Do you think I have to redo it, or can I just do it like that? There we go. That'll work. Not interested in redoing it. It's just like gonna have to be a messy vibe today. But yeah, beach party. Let's go. It's raining. We're having a tropical storm party. Tropical storm party, Ella. Okay, so tonight is cocktail chic. Got my dress on. A little bun action because my hair is like so salt watery. Couldn't really vlog today because it started raining, but they had like full-on volleyball tournaments and stuff. I sat out because I'm not a volleyball girl, but I did kayak. I was in the kayak race. We didn't win, but that was close. I mean, I should have won. The bride and I were on a team against my husband, and we didn't win, so she flipped him.
Cocktail chic is the
It's
Italian.
called the cocktail chic. Nick's got his jacket on. Sunning, guys. Look where we are. Can't even believe it. I got a bun. Like, when do I ever wear a fucking bun?
Bunhead.
Bunhead.
That's what you call bunhead.
It's what you call a bunhead. The bride and groom were so sweet. They brought my husband a birthday cake. Then we took a boat to go on a hike. went swimming in this waterfall, hence my hair. This is so magical. Nick made me go under. So beautiful. The boys wanted to go surfing, so we all went to watch them. We made it to the surf break. So we're headed to Easter Bunch. This is the fit. Don't drop that, dum da da. Hey, don't drop that, dum da da. Hey, don't drop that, dum da da. What the bug?
Dude, no way.
I know.
He didn't stay out very long.
Thank you so much for being here for a special day.
There's an Easter bunny right there.
So tomorrow morning, Bessie will bless
An impromptu party at a villa. Alright, we're wedding ready. Wedding time.
I came back to your place in the pool with Brian.
Michael is, in Stephanie's words, quote, a beautiful and talented skier who broke Stephanie in for the first time with a double black diamond. Michael is also, of course, a master surfer. And Stephanie told me the story that a boat dropped them off in the middle of the ocean, not too far from Tahiti. And as she was fighting for her life, surrounded by triggerfish, and resting finally for a moment on a...
It's our last morning. We're having some coffee, watching sunrise like we do every morning. It's been such an amazing trip.